Okay, beta. We are starting the class and welcome you, all of you again, and good evening to all of you. Now tell me whether you can hear me or you cannot hear me. How about the sound? Good evening, beta. Can you hear me? Just respond. Then we'll start the class. All of you can hear? Okay, beta. Now it is okay? Till now it is buffering. Okay, probably now it is okay. Now I can see that it is okay. And we'll start our class. So today, as you have already seen, that today we'll try to learn the today we will try to learn the product of to find the multiplication of two digits. Okay, two digit number which are nearer to 50. Okay, for example, I am writing one number here 54 into, suppose let us say another number 56. We want to find it. Okay, 54 into 56. Sound is everything is clear, beta? Just respond me, because today I am using a new technique. Okay, so if the sound is not good, then just respond me. Till now sound is okay? I think it is okay, sound is okay. Okay, beta. So today we'll try to learn how to, okay, beta, how to find out the product of these two number. Okay, and already this type of number which are nearer to 10, which are nearer to 100, that type of number already we have discussed. Okay, so here first what I will do, I'll write here 54 and another number is 56. Now what I will do, here I will take the base to be 50. Here I will take base to be 50. Okay, but our theoretical base is 100. Theoretical base is 100. That means theoretical base means we will just try to find out, try to do the calculation as per the 100 type of calculation. Okay, so here base is 50, working base, that is known as working base. So in working base it is 50, that means here difference is how much? 4. So I'll write plus 4. And 56, here difference is 6, so I'll write 6. Okay, and already this thing already we have done. Okay, so in first part what we will do, simply we will do the multiplication 4 into 6. Okay, 4 into 6, this thing will multiply, so 4 into 6, that will be how much? 24. That thing already you know it. So 4 into 6, 24. Then what we will do, this side in cross we will just try to see 54 plus 6, that is also 60, and 56 plus 4, that is also 60. Okay, in any way we can find out. So I am getting here 60. Is it clear? But since our theoretical base 100 rules we are following, okay, and working base is 50. So working base 50, that means it is 2 times less. 50 is 2 times less than 100. So what I will do, whatever the number you are getting in the left hand side, okay, that number has to be multiplied with half. That number is to be multiplied with half. Okay, so half into 60 is how much? 30, and this type number is 24. So our answer is 3024. Is it clear? Since here the theoretical base is 100, that means here two zeros are there. Two zeros means here in the right hand corner we will keep 2 digit. Is it clear? If the theoretical base is 10, then here we will keep only one digit. Okay, if it is 100 theoretical base, then we will keep 2 digit. If it is 1000, then we will take 3 digit. Okay, that thing little by little you will get clarified. So I hope that this part is clear. So I have taken, once again I am explaining, I have taken two number 54 and 56. Okay, 54 and 56, and here working base is 50, so here difference is 4. Already this thing you know it, 56 means difference is 6. So here the difference will take the multiple product, 4 into 6 is 24, and in cross you have to see 54 plus 6 is 60. But since working base is 50 and our theoretical base is 100, so 50 is half of 100. That's why here what I am doing, half into 60. Half into 60 is 30, so 3, this will be 3024. Okay, so I hope this part is clear to you. Okay, now let us see another number. Okay, and after that we will do some practice. Okay, so let us take another number which is less than 50. Okay, first let us understand so that you will not have any doubt. One number I am taking 48 and another number I am taking 54. Okay, so here also same thing. Here our working base is 50. Okay, working base is 50. So here working base. Okay, here I am writing WB, working base is 50. Okay, so 48 is 2 less. If it is less, then I have to write minus 2. That has to be very, very clear, beta. Okay, and here it is 54. 54 is 4 more. So I will write plus 4. Very good. Many of you have already started answering. Very good, beta. Niva Parmar. Okay, let us see. So here what I will do, first I will multiply in the right hand side. So minus 2 into 4. Minus 2 into 4. So this will be minus 8. So here I will write minus 8. And this side crosswise you have to check. Any side you can check. 54 minus 2, that is 52. Okay. Now what I will do, since working base 50 is half less, 2 times less than 100. So what I will do, here I will multiply half. Okay, so half into 52, so that will become 2 2 ja 4. Okay, then 1 2 6. So here I am getting 26, and this side we have minus 8. Okay, so here what I will do, I will take 1 to that side, so that this side left hand side number become positive. But if I will take 1 to that side, but here you have to learn, if I am taking 1 to that side, this will become 100. This will become 100. Okay, so 1 we have taken that side, so this side become 25, and this side 100 minus 8, so this will be 92. So our answer is 2592. Okay, many of you have already given the answer. Okay, Tanu Sinha, very good beta. Abhishek, Bhamal Meena, Pratiksha Meena. Okay, very good beta. Acha. Now tell me about the visibility. Can you see this color, or I will change the color? This color is okay? Or I will change the color? Okay, let us do a practice. Okay, we will do a practice. So let us take another color, dark color. Okay, so now take another number 59. Please change it in white. Okay, okay, I'll change to white. Okay, by the time you try to do it, 59 into, okay, let us say 42. 59 into 42. Find out. What will be the answer? 59 into 42. Okay, now it is okay. Color is okay now. Very good. Already you have started answering. Ayush Singh, then Daksh, Niva Parmar, Tanusina, Anurag, Hamal, Abhishek, Pratiksha Mina. We'll try another one. Okay. Let us take another color. अभी हम कोई भी कलर ले सकते हैं because it is white. Let us take you can take 60 also, 61 also you can take. Let us say, take another example, 62 into 43. Okay, do it. Let us see who can do it fast. 62 into 43. What is the answer? Good evening, beta. Okay, Niva Parmar already you have given. Okay, very good. Others also respond. Daksh I have already given. Okay, Akshansa, very good beta. Ayush, Tanusina, very good. Abhishek, okay, very good. Okay, you just tell your friends also. Already once again we have started due to some technical problem. I could not take class. I'm trying to find out some better solution. That's why. Okay, very good. Okay, first time class. Okay, beta. You just go through my previous videos. Okay, that thing you will get in this channel, Smart Study channel. Just go through it. Pavni, beta, very good. You are also joining. Who are joining new for the first time, please go to my previous videos. In this YouTube channel, if you will try to search, okay, in our channel Smart Class, okay, Smart Study, you will get the other my previous videos also. Go through it. Okay, very good. Many of you have answered it nicely. Okay, so should I do it? Okay, let us check. All of you have given answer. 62. So see how much fast I am doing. So this is 12, then 43, that is minus 7. So 12 into 7, 12 7 is 84. So I will write minus 84. Then here any side you can check. 43 plus 12, this is easy for me. So this will be 55. Then what I will do, since base is half of 100, so I will take half into 55. Half into 55 means 27 and half to 60. Then how we will proceed? Okay, let us take a new slide. Suppose the two number, okay, one number is 38, okay, and another number is 45. Then how I will use the formula? Okay, how I will use the formula? So here I am taking, I can see, you can see also, 38 and 45 both are nearer to 40. So I am writing working base, okay, working base to be 40. Working base I am taking to be 40. So 38 means it is 2 less, 45 means it is 5 more. So how much we are getting? Okay, how much we are getting? Minus 2 into 5, that is minus 10. And then in any side you can check which is easier for you, that side you did. then I have to divide. If I am taking theoretical base to be 10, so working base is more 40, that means 4 times more. So what I will do, 4 into 43, so this is 3 4 ja 4 3 ja 12, 2 1, 4 4 ja 16 plus 1, that will be 172. Okay, and this side we have minus 10. Is it clear? Okay, so what I'll do, I am taking the theoretical base to be 10, that's why I multiplied 4. Okay, now here negative sign, to make it positive, I will take 1 to that side. If I will take 1 to that side, it will become 171. But if I will bring 1 to this side, on the right hand side, if I will bring 1, this 1 will become 10. This 1 will become 10 because theoretical base is 10. If the theoretical base is 100, then this 1 will become 100. But I have taken theoretical base to be 10, so I will bring 10 to that side. So minus 10 and plus 10, this will become 0. So our answer is 1710. 1710. So this is our answer. I hope all of you are clear about it. Okay, now let us have practice time. Okay, so I am giving you different type. But be clear, if the number are nearer to 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 30, 20, then you have to take the theoretical base to be 10. Okay, theoretical base to be 10, so that easily if the numbers are nearer to 70, then you have to multiply by 7. Okay. Okay, so now find out 76 into 79. Okay, this thing you have to find out. Start answering, beta. Anbil, beta. Good evening, Anbil. Okay, Niva Parmar, Ayush Singh already have started. 6004. Very good, beta. Others also start responding. Bhavesh Misra. Okay, Anurag. Bhavesh Misra, you just check. Whenever you are doing any type of multiplication, okay, so here you can see that here unit digit is 6 and 9. In both the number unit digit is 6 and 9. So 6 9 ja 54. You can see 6 and 9. 6 9 ja 54. So unit digit will be 4. It should not be 8. Okay, Bhavesh Misra, very good, beta. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Okay. Okay, let us do one more question. Choose another color. Okay. Now find out 86 into 76. Find out 86 into 76. This will be how much? Niva Parmar, very good, beta. 6 by 6536. That's I also answered. Okay, that means I hope you are clear about the concept. Are you seeing? Very good. Kunal, Anita, Sinha, very good, beta. Okay, very good, beta. My voice is clear? Voice and video both are clear or not? Just respond. Okay, very good. Veer, Aditya. Okay. So finally, once again I am telling, then we'll do different type of question. Okay. Okay, beta. So 86, here I am taking the working base to be 80. So 86 means it is 6 more. Okay, beta, good. 86 is 6 more and 76 is 4 less. So here what I'll write, 6 into plus 6 into minus 4, that will be minus 24, and here any side you can check. So for me this side is easier, 86 minus 4, that will be 82, and here what I'll do, since I have taken the working base to be 80, so what I'll do, I'll multiply 8. I am considering theoretical base to be 10. Okay, it is 8 times more, so simply I will, what I will do, multiply 8. So 8 to the 16, 6 1, 8 8 is 64, plus 1, 65. Okay, so here I am writing 656, and here it is minus 24. Okay, so this thing we have to make it positive, but since our theoretical base is 10, we are using the rule of 10. So if you will take 1 to that side, this will become 10. तो 10 हो जाता है तो बेटा ये -24 है, ये पॉजिटिव नहीं होगा, तो हमें एटलीस्ट यहाँ 30 होना चाहिए. सो व्हाट यू विल टेक 3 टू दैट साइड. if you will take 3 to that side, this will become 30 and the number will become positive. Okay, so here the number will become 0 6. Okay, 37 minus 24, so 0 6, and this side what is left, 6 5 3. Since we are following the rules, so only one digit will come 6 and 0 will go to that side, but 0 plus 3 is 3 only, so our answer is 6 5 3 6. So this is our answer, 6 5 3 6. Okay, so I hope this part is already clear to you. Okay, so again last week for today's class, then we'll stop because your exam time is also there, so we'll not continue further, but this is the last trick. Let us see how many of you can apply the concept to it. Okay, let us take to number 305, okay, into 291. You have to find out 305 into 291 is how much. Okay, find out. If one thing is clear to you, when we will consider it working, what will be the working base and what will be our theoretical base? Very good, Bhavesh Misra, you have answered it. Pratiksha Meena, okay, Bhavesh Misra, Ayush Singh, others also respond. Anita, very good. Veer and Aditya Jadhav, very good, beta. Abhishek, Veer and Aditya Jadhav, this is which answer you are sending? 64455. You have to check the answer. Huh? Okay, so here what we will do, one number is 305 and one number is 291. So here I am considering working base. Okay, based on which you will find the differences. Working base is 300. So if my working base is 300, okay, working base is 300, that means this is 5 more, and 291 means this is 9 less. So 5 into 9 is 45, but plus 5 minus 9, so this will become minus 45. Okay, and this side or this side, any side you can check which side is easier, that side you will do. So 291 plus 5 will be 296. This is easier for me, so I am writing 296. But here I am following the rule of 100. Theoretical base is 100. Theoretical base I have taken to be 100, and my working base is 300. So 300 is 3 times more than 100. So what I will do, here I will multiply 3. So multiplication is very easy, you can do quickly. 3 6 is 18, 8 1, 3 9 is 27, 1 28, 8 2, 3 2 is 6, 2 8. Okay, and this side I have minus 45. Okay, so after multiplying 3, now you have to make it positive. So if I will take 1 to that side, then the number will become 887, and if you are taking 1 to this side, so 100, 1 will become 100 because our theoretical base is 100. So 100 minus 45, so this will be 55. So my answer is 88755. Okay, so this is our answer. Okay. Okay, Daksh has asked a question. But if you are taking 100, then it is not a problem. 100 into 309 means simply 100 into 309. So this will be simply 30900. Okay, no problem. Okay, this method, if it is 100, then no method is required. But if this method is only applicable for that type of number which are nearer to each other. Okay, for example, 300. For example, one number is 309, one is 299, or 309, one is 320, like this number which are nearer to each other. For that only we can apply it. Okay, and if it is any type of 3-digit number, then the process is different. Okay, so now we will end the class, and tomorrow again we'll continue, and tomorrow we'll learn how to multiply 3 number, okay, with 2 digit number. And if we have 3 number of 2 digits which are nearer to 50, which are nearer to 100, which are nearer to 200 or 250, like this number, that thing tomorrow will continue. And I hope today whatever I taught you understood it. If you have any doubt, again you can see the video. Okay, subscribe the channel, and you also tell the other friends also. Already we have started. Okay, okay beta. And one more thing beta, now just suggest me this method is okay or our previous method is okay. कौन सा आपको अच्छा लग रहा है? इस तरीके से आज जो मैंने पढ़ाया ये आपको अच्छा लग रहा था, या पहले जो मैं ब्लैक बोर्ड में पढ़ा रहा था वो अच्छा था? कैन यू हियर मी? कौन सा अच्छा था? आज का क्लास आपको ठीक लगा या पहले का क्लास ठीक था? ओके ओके, both are good. Okay, okay, then we'll continue. This method is okay. Okay beta, today. Okay, okay, then continue with this method, and you tell your other friends also to join the class. So now I am ending the class. Okay, so I am ending the class. Okay beta, previous one. Okay, okay, anyway, some problem, internet problem is there, that I am trying to solve it. By tomorrow it will be solved. Okay, tomorrow you will not face any type of lagging or buffering. Okay, so bye. Goodbye to all of you. Good night. Okay, keep coming to class and continue the class, then only you can improve.